Dear student, welcome to all of you in my online maths video class. In our last video class, we discussed about the equality of two functions, real function and a real valued function, and how to represent domain and range of the function. Now today, in this video, relation function, 7th video, we will discuss about the exercise 2.4, that is question number 4. According to question number 4, is the function f defined by fx? The function is defined like this way: fx is equal to x square. When means the value of fx will be x square if x is greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 3, and is equal to 2x when value of x is greater than equal to 3 and less than equal to 5. The question is the given relation denoted by like this way is a function? We have to verify that the given definition of the function is only a relation but not a function. How? If you find here f of 0, then it will be what? 0. Why? F of 0 means what? Here this, according to this relation, it will be 0 square, value will be 0. F of 1 is equal to what? 1 square, value will be 1. F of 2 is what? 2 square, value will be 4. Why like this way? Because f of x is equal to x square. F of x is equal to x square. We will take the value of fx as x square when value of x is lying between 0 and 3. Similarly, we find here f of 3 is equal to 3 square, that is 9. Getting? But in this condition, if you write if f of x is equal to x square, then okay. Now if f of x is equal to 2x, then what is the condition? X is equal to 3. F of 3 is equal to 2 into 3, that is 6. Similarly, f of 5 is equal to what? 2 into 5 is equal to 10. But here we see that f of 3 is equal to 6 also, and f of 3 according to this expression 9 also. It means if we make here domain, codomain, domain will be let 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. 5, right, 5, then 0, 0, 1, 4, 9, 6, 10. Here unique image, one has unique image in this. Let this is a relation f, and what is the condition for a relation to be a function? Each element of domain should have a unique image in codomain. But what is problem here? To have unique image, 5 has unique image, but here 3 have two images, 1 6 and 1 9. Here 9 and according to this 6. Therefore, so since f of 3 has two images in codomain, therefore f is not a function. F is not a function. Only this is the solution. Now let us see question number 11. Question number 11 now. Question number 11. What is question? A function f is defined like this way. F of x is equal to x square plus 3, x square plus 3 where x belongs to natural number, and value of x is less than equal to 5. Value of x is less than equal to 5 and we have to find the range. So here f of 1 is what? F of 1 is what? 1 square plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. F of 2 is what? Natural number. So we can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be 2 square plus 3. 2 to the 4, 3, 7. F of 3 now what? 3 square plus 3. 3 is 9, 3, 12. F of 4 is what? 4 square plus 3. 16 plus 3 is equal to 19. F of 5 is what? 5 square plus 3. 25 plus 3 is equal to 28. Okay, so like this way we can find the value of x at different value of natural number. This is the question number 11. Question number 11. And the first question is range of the function. Therefore, range of the function, the first one is equal to what? Range of the function, that will be 4, 7, 12, 19 and 28. This will be range of the function. Now the question is the second part. What is the second part? What is the second part? F of 2 into f of 2 into f of 5. What is f of 2? F of 2 is equal to 7 and f of 5 is equal to 28. Multiply f of 2 and f of 5. After multiplication it will be 196. Now what is the third one? The third one is we have to find. The question is, does f of minus 3 exist? Does. The question is, does f of minus 3 exist? No, not exist, because here the element of domain is what? Natural number. No, because minus 3 is not the element of natural number. Minus 3 is not the element of natural number. Therefore, f of minus 3 does not exist. F of 3 exists because 3 is the natural number. According to question, what is the domain? Element of domain, that is x. That should be natural number. But here, minus 3 is not a natural number, therefore it does not exist. Now the question is, find x when f of x is equal to 7. F of x is equal to 7. Let us see. F of x. Oh, f of x is equal to 7. It is given. And we have to find x. Find x. Find x if we know that f of x is equal to x square plus 3 is equal to 7. Then this implies that x square is equal to what? 7 minus 3. This implies that x square is equal to 4. This implies that x is equal to plus minus 2, means plus 2 and minus 3. Okay, but x belongs to natural number. Therefore, x is equal to 2. This is the end of the question. So here there will be two value of x, +2 and -2, but we will take only that value which is natural number. Therefore, x is equal to 2. This is the solution of the question. Now we will discuss one more question. Question number 12. Question number 12. Question number 12, the last question. 4. The value of the function is defined like this way: x cube minus x plus 3 upon x square minus 1. And what we have to find? Find the domain of the following real function. We have to find domain of the function. So there is a process for solving this type of question. According to this process only you have to solve this. And you should learn it how to write. You should learn how we do this. For domain of the function, fx must be a real number. For domain of the function, fx must be a real number. And we know that here fx is what? Fx is what? Value of fx is equal to this. Therefore, this implies that x cube minus x plus 3 upon x square minus 1 must be a real number. Okay? And we know that it will be real number when the denominator is not equal to 0. Means it is possible only when x square minus 1 is not equal to 0. Why? Because if x square minus 1 is equal to 0, then total value will be not defined. Denominator will be 0. And you know that if the denominator is 0, then what is the condition of the value? What will the value? That will be not defined value. So this implies that x square is not equal to 1, and this implies that x is not equal to plus minus 1. Okay? X is not equal to plus minus 1. It means we can take all the value of x. Means what is x? That is domain. Fx is what? Means image of x in codomain part. X is pre-image and fx is, that is y image. Means if here x, then what is this? This is fx. Pre-image, image. Okay? Means we cannot take here in this value plus 1 and minus 1, not possible according to this situation. We cannot take plus 1 and minus 1 according to this situation. Why? Because if we take plus 1 or minus 1, then x square will be 1 and 1 minus 1 will be 0. Again not defined. Therefore, we can take any value of this domain except minus 1 and 1. Therefore, so domain of the function are real number except what? 1 and minus 1. This is the answer. Like this way we find the domain of the function. Okay, one more question. Let us see question number 13, 4. Question number 13, 4. 13 and here 4. Define here f of x. F of x is equal to 1 upon under root 3 minus x, and we have to find domain of the function. Again the same process we will continue. Okay. For domain of the function, here under root. We should be careful regarding this type of situations. For domain of the function, fx must be real number. Fx must be real number, and this implies that 1 upon under root 3 minus x must be a real number. And you know that it will be real if 1 upon under root 3 minus x is greater than 0. Is greater than 0. Okay. It is possible when this value is greater than 0. And this value will be greater than 0 if this denominator is greater than 0. This value will be greater than 0 if under root 3 minus x is greater than 0. Okay, and this implies that it is also possible when 3 minus x is greater than 0. Look here, 3 minus x should be greater than 0, because if 3 minus x is less than 0, then in under root there will be negative value. Once again, if 3 minus x is greater than 0 here, but you think if not equal to 0, if not greater than 0, then what happened? Then in under root there will be a negative value. Then in that condition it will not be a real number, it will be complex number. So therefore it should be greater than 0, and this implies that 3 greater than x, or we can say here x less than 3. It means domain of the function must be real when we take only that element of x which is less than 3. Okay, which is less than 3. It means if we take all the value of real number less than 3, then in this situation the domain will be real. It means the domain of the function is what? All real number which is less than 3, means 3 but not 3, because only less than and less than this, like this, minus infinite to 3. We can take this way. Domain of the function is like this. So in this way you solve question from 1 to 13. Some more questions are given, we will discuss in next video. Thank you.